Ya. Ya, sesingenile-ke nje manje. Akuthi sike siqale senze kanje. Siqale senze kanje. Qonda ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Khona nje okurong okwenzakalayo kodwa. Ya. Ngibuye ya. Finally-ke sengidile-ke konke-ke manje angisaphuzi itiye-ke manje ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi vele itiye uma ngabe ngingekho la. Vele itiye nawo uTikTok-ke unakho nje uku-operate ngeyawo indlela. Angazi noma buye wasinde yini device lawa ethu esiwaphathayo noma wona angazi ukuthi vele ngikwazi ukuthi izinto sezaba weak. Izinto sezenziwa weak njengama azenza izinto nje za weak. Lento engangikade ngike ngakhuluma ngayo lento ekuthiwa i-planned obsolescence. Leyo ukuthi izokwenza ukuthi emva kwesikhathi eside, ngisho emva kwesikhathi eside kangakanani, emva kwesikhashana nje ungakalindeli isiya-break-a down. Ungakalindeli into isiya-break-a down. Leya nto-ke into eyenziwa-ke ngo-1920 leyo ngo-1921 ukuthi kuthiwa izinto zizokwenza ukuthi zisheshe zife khona kuzokwazi ukuthi kunyuke i-profit. Kunento ekuthiwa i-paradox of thrift le ethi angeke kuze kukwazi abantu mangabe bonke bezokwenza into ewukuseva efficient and economizing for them. Kwathiwa ithi leyo nto leyo labo bantu labo basuke bezokucollapse umnotho. That is why kufuneka ukuthi kuhlezi izinto zisheshe ziguga, yabo. Kufuneka izinto ukuthi zihlezi zisheshe ziguga nje njalo, yabo. So into eyenzeka ngo-1920. So namanje ngazi isimo esifanayo sengingenile-ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo change ngenzeka yini noma yini kanjani kunobani obekilwe isiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona orientation kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungadadazeli, uyabona. Wethu wadladla baphila uyamela yabona nje ungisi yakho imeseve umeka ukuthi mefundeni lena uhleke emakudala ya sesikhona awusonento kabangani bami mina angazi kwenza inondle uhlezi sawubona singenile-ke manje bafuthi isihloko sanamhlanje sokhuluma ngaso isihloko esijule kakhulu bakuthi sokhuluma ngento ejule kakhulu, sokhuluma nge-human behavior. Kungani umuntu enza ngale ndlela enza ngayo njengoba vele-ke ngisuke ngayimisela ukuhlala isikhathi eside la ngisuke ngayimisela ukuhlala isikhathi eside, but it just happened ukuthi abantu baya engage bese ngicina ngihlala isikhathi eside. Kungani abantu benza lento abayenzayo? Kungani umuntu ebehave ngandlela abehave ngayo? Ziningi izinto ezingaba attributable to that. Yabo nje, can you ukuthi, can you please confirm my network? I'm not satisfied the way I perceive things happening here. I believe ukuthi there are some glitches when it comes to network. Ukuze makuwukuthi kanjani sivele ngiyivale mfana, yabo, ngivele ngiyivale mfana ngoba angithandi ukuthi inkulumo ebalekile ingazwakali, angithandi phinde ngiyiphinde futhi. I don't want to repeat myself. So ngicela ukuthi confirm ukuthi i-network iyasivumela ukuthi siqhubeke, because on my side I see some glitches here and there. I see some glitches here and there. So please look. Thank you so much. Okani, Claudia, Okani, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngegift. Buka nje. It's the gift. Ngiyabingelela ngalesikhathi cha yona ahiqiza kodwa akubi nga ngiyabuzwa intuthuko. Ngiyabonga kakhulu futhi ngegift lapha boom system uthi ke network is good, yeah, that your motion is slower but sound is good. Oh, the thing is with the motion but this sound iyoneleke kakhulu vele. Ngiyabonga wethu Sister Boom, isingcono manje. Okay, mawukuthi emotion esalayo, sound iyezwakala kungcono kakhulu nokuthi sound kube iyona engezwakala, yabo. Yeah, so good people, siyazi ukuthi ngachaza ukuthi njalo ngoSunday ngikhipha ivideo dedicated to subscribers and channel members. I did that, yabo. Uzoyifica lo video teknique okuzokwenzeka futhi bekumoya phansi ungatatazeli yabona. People, ngifuna ukuthi sike singene khona nje manje ekuthenini why abantu benza ngendlela abenza ngayo, why umuntu enze ngalendlela enza ngayo. Kunezinto bafethu esingeke size sina kodwa ezinomthelela omkhulu empilweni zethu nangendlela esenza ngayo. Yabona nje into yokuqala ile kuthiwa i-trauma. Yabona kuthiwa i-trauma. I-trauma is subconscious. Ihleli lapha at the back of mind. Yabo, kwi-subconscious, and it will dictate how you do things. I-trauma, good people, ingaba kuma segments ahlukene empilo yomuntu. Ikhona i-trauma when it comes to love, ikhona i-trauma when it comes to ingane ne-trauma, ikhona i-trauma when it comes to money, ikhona i-trauma when it comes to friendship, ikhona i-trauma iseyindaweni ngokuhlukahlukana kodwa yinto edinga ukuthi uyiface uyilaphe. So we experienced that was very unpleasant for you, and then umqondo wakho uthatha snapshot ngaleyo experience. Yabona uya freeze umqondo wakho snapshot salapho uthi this was a very intense emotional experience. Uyabo? So ayidluli ke kalula i-trauma. ifuna ukuthi uyiface. The stronger the feeling wayifila ngaleso sikhathi, the stronger the trauma is. The trauma a ripple effect empilweni yakho, yabo. Ya kunjalo nje Krusty Silver, traumatic experience. Kwesinye isikhathi unganganaka wena ukuthi une trauma. Unganganaka wena ukuthi une trauma, but inkinga ke nge-trauma ukuthi it attracted the very same thing le wena othi uyayigwema, yabo. It attracted the very same thing because i-trauma is a fear of reliving or finding yourself in the very same situation. Is a fear, and that fear is the same fear attracted lawo circumstances. That is why umuntu othola ukuthi wakwadlengule semncane uthola ukuthi uphinde uyadlenguleka futhi. Uthola ukuthi into yake yenzeka iyaphinda futhi iyenzeka, yabo. Hadebe shakubingelela futhi bawuthayivuli Hadebe Storm Fragrance sanibona molweni ndeni wami wa spiritual sawubona we Storm. So izinto ekumele ukuthi siyilaphe lezo good people ngathi ekumele ukuthi siyiface, ekumele ukuthi siyibeke kwi surface. Why I do things the way I do them, yabo. Why I do things the way I do them. Kuba ne trauma around money. There is trauma around money to the point ukuthi umuntu behavior yakhe around imali is not in favor of where he or she wants to be. Unalento emtshela ukuthi imali izophela. Ama experiences owaba nawo ngemali nezinto ezifakwe kuwe ngemali eziba ngama traumatic experiences, yabo. Ukuthi imali iyashoda, imali this, imali kunzima, yabona. Around money there's great trauma around money when it comes to money. So leyo nto dictator indlela ozokwenza ngayo when it comes to money. Ikwenza ungabi nayo ke futhi in abundance. Uyayizwa leyo nto. Kanti thina as people we are meant to have money in abundance. We are meant to have everything in abundance that we like. Love, uthando, ukuthandwa. Abantu bane trauma when it comes to indaba zothando. Bane traumatic experience abantu labo. Yes. So izinto lezi good people ezingadingi ukuthi uzi overlook. Zidinga ukuthi uziface lezo zinto lezo. Kungani ngenza ngale ndlela engenza ngayo? Why I do this? Why I do things the way I do them? Why? Bring it to surface. Yabo? Now you will understand. Oh, it's because ngashiwa. Yabo? Thank you, Kasolo. Thank you so much. Yabo? Thank you, Kasolo. Uzanele uyasho ukuthi i-trauma is serious le imali. How do we heal that trauma? Please. Hayi. Cha sisaxoxa nje sakafinyele phela solution into oyikhuluma ngasekugcineni. If you are in a hurry usuyibamba ku YouTube later on mase ngi-uploadile. Manje nje you are just engaging nje. We are not in a hurry. No hurry in South Africa. Yabona. Omunye une trauma ephathelene yeah, thank you. Une trauma ephathelene nezingane nabantwana. I-experience mhlawumbe abanayo yokuqala noma experience abanayo prior when it comes to izingane ayibanga emnandi eba nengane yokuqala. Omunye ayibanga mnandi i-trauma yomshado. i-trauma is isendaweni eziningi, yabo, isendaweni eziningi. Akuthola ukuthi usaba ngale ndlela le indaba yengane, usaba ngale ndlela ukuba nengane, usaba izinto ezifuna ukulashwa lezo, izinto ezifuna ukulashwa lezo, ukugula okupsychological lokho, ukugula okupsychological lokho, nokushiywa abazali, yabona uzithole zonke lezo zinto lezo ziyadictate indlela obehavior ngayo. So nakho ke kumele ukuthi uzibuze wona wena manje, kumele ubuze why empilweni yakho, kumele ube nalo mbuzo othi why ngaso sonke isikhathi, why, up until there is no why, up until you can't ask why anymore. Why? Yabo, I want to have more money. Why? I want to have more money because I want to feed my children. Why I want to feed your children? Because what? Because sometimes abanye abantu bane-trauma indlela abakhula ngayo and ba too protective enganeni zabo, ba too protective. Indlela abenza ngayo enganeni bayithanda sakuyilimaza, yes, bayithanda sakuyilimaza because bane-trauma ngendlela bona bakhula ngayo, and leyo nto leyo they try by all means to save children from experiencing impilo practically and be part of life, and they are traumatizing children ngokwenza kwabo kanjalo, but bona they think they are saving children kanti bayabatraumatize, bane-trauma, le-trauma bayikhiphele ey'nganeni. Indlela akhula ngayo, unefear nje ukuthi ingane yakhe ezinye ingane ezoyibhulisha, ulwa kangaka nje unaleyo nto leyo, too sensitive when it comes to ingane, i-trauma leyo. And as a matter of fact, into uyayi-attractela ingane leyo nto, the very same thing leyo wena uthi ingane awufuni yenzeka kuyona, iyenzeka ngenxa yokuthi wena uyi-attractela leyo nto. Malefetsane Mabuya uthi, is it possible for some people not to be affected by a trauma? Akukho possible ukuthi ngam-affect i-trauma, iyam-affecta ukuthi akanakile, akukho possible. Angithi phela i-trauma iba subconscious, and umuntu ongekho conscious ungaze uyitshela ukuthi wena ayi-affectile kanti ku-affectile, awunakile. Mhlawumbe kakhulu ungalitholi uthando ngale ndlela ofuna ngayo, abantu babengakuthathi serious, and njengamanje awunakile wena ukuthi hayi ngoba nakho uthando ukuphatha le phone, hayi ngoba nakho uthando ukuba nale mali, ufuna ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi now wena you can, now you want to fill up that space, you want now to prove, but awunakile when it's like when you are eager for success kanti there is something behind, awungayinakile, there is something behind that you want to have these things because kuwena zizobe zisho self-worth ne-respect that people need to give you, but you are not aware of those things. And then we find people benza izinto that are questionable, and they don't even question themselves why they do what they do. Ezinye ingane zinayo i-trauma, uthola ukuthi le trauma ukuthi nje akanikwa nje uthando, akanikwanga uthando, and spini imoto because the more bangela umsindo enawa ila yena thola khona ukunawa, ngobani akakhulanga ekuthola ukunawa ayikudeserve. But mangabe manje uzokufuna ngendlela wrong, bese ngasayibuza kumuntu mesemdala ukuthi kungani ngenza izinto ngalendlela ngifuna iattention ngalendlela kanti ngoba it feels better if enakwa ngalendlela nakwa ngayo yabo. Usiyabonga Mkhasiwe. It's a law of responsibility. I was watching your video 2 days. We can one always speak truth like you, brother. Thank you so much. Nakho okunye ngifuna ukuveza futhi before we come to ama solution parts. Ngithe mina question why you do what you do. Question yourself why you do what you do. Then you will figure out whether you affected trauma or not affected trauma. Ask yourself, is there any explanation that you can come up with, a logical explanation? If you cannot, then that is the point. That is how you are going to see we are affected by trauma or not. Yabo. But life that is it's an unexamined life is not worth living. If you are not going to examine your life time to time, it's not worth it. Yabo. You are not becoming better. Like you lost purpose. We are protective because of what we went through, and unfortunately, what you think about you bring about, yeah. And nakho kunye futhi engidinga ukuveza ngaphezulu kwetrauma ukuthi trauma dictate indlela owenza ngayo futhi iyagulisa ke trauma. Okwesibili engifuna ukuthi ngikuveze ilokhu kwelokhungana kumhlaba losiphila kuona indlela oyiyona ukuthi usifaka entweni esingayinakile thina usifaka entweni esingayinakile umhlaba uactivator i-sympathetic nervous system yethu sibe nje sibe kwi-rush singabi relaxed sibe kwi-sympathetic nervous activate sympathetic nervous system. So into eziningi ezenzekalayo zikufaka kwi-fight or flight mode. Izinto eziningi ezenzekalayo people they don't feel safe. People don't feel safe. They don't feel safe, and that is why they do things the way they do them. They are not safe. That's what they eqala nje evula social media elalela nakukhuluma kwabantu na already kusekukhona into eshoyo ukuthi vele akukho safe. Akukho safe. Uma ungekho safe ke uba kwi-fight or flight. Isona sizathu ke senza ukuthi abantu babulalane ngalo luhlobo ababulalana ngalo. Abekho kwi-parasympathetic nervous system state. Ba kwi-fight or flight. Abantu abaningi bayazibulala, abantu abaningi babulala abanye. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Indlela umhlaba ongakhona. And ngishilo ngathi kwi-solution parts sokhuluma ngayo lo nto. Thank you Laro. Thank you. Abantu bakwi-fight or flight, that is why bebulalana. Indaba ama-resources babona mancane. Angithi kuthiwa ayike amathuba emisebenzi awekho. Isimo somnotho siyabheda. Leyo nto ilethana kwi-nervous system yakho. Iletha ukuthi my chances of survival are slim, so I need to fight. That is why bekwazi ukubulalana bebulalelana ikhundla bona abantu bathakatha nafu umuntu ngobani akayitrust i-higher power lo omunye ukuthi izomlethela izinto in due course. Akekho kuleso sigaba leso, akekho kuleso sigaba. Lento it is unfortunate ukuthi mina mawubhukha i-chart reading kumina angizokutshela mhlawumbe lento ofuna ukuyizwa wena. Mhlawumbe ulindele ukuthi ngizokutshela ukuthi vuka hambe uyokwenzani, ngizokutshela i-opposite mina ukuthi vuka hambe uyokwenzani. Ngizokutshela ukuthi linda lento ofuna ukuyenza iyona ezoza kuwena. Manje ke ngeke uzuyizweke lonto uma ukwi-fight or flight ngoba usuke uthi wena isikhathi siyahamba ngithi uthi wena isikhathi siyahamba iyona into ekhona leyo. Isikhathi siyahamba ama-resources mancane kumele ngithathe ngokushesha. We are living in an abundant universe la khona izinto zi-infinite zingapheli. Yes, ingobani umqondo wakho uzitshela ukuthi u-in charge kanti awukho in charge. Umqondo wakho awukho in charge, ufana nespoon esithi siphethe sibe siphethwe. Yabona mangithi awukho in charge ungayididanisi lento nalento engihlezi ngikhuluma ukuthi uwena able to create your reality. Ungayididanisi kanjalo. Khumbula ukuthi khona i-program, yes, bese kuba khona i-programmer. Wena awusiyona i-programmer ye-universe. I-programmer ye-universe, i-universe itself iyona eyaziyo ukuthi yini ekumele yenzeke nini, because iyona eyaziyo ukuthi why yenza lezi zinto ngendlela ezenza ngayo. Wena ukwaziyo ukubhekene nawo okungangawo, ukubhekene nawo okungangawo, okunye phuma kukho. You don't even know ukuthi uyofanini. You don't even know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani in the next 1 minute. Awazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kuwena, awazi. But umqondo wakho usitshela ukuthi uyazi. Trust the higher power. Musukuba kwi-sympathetic nervous system ye-fight or flight. Uyazi ukuthi umqondo wakho ubusy ustrugglisha nge-survival. Ingqondo yakho, i-IQ yayo, the intellectual quotient, the intelligence, idropa ngo-13 points okufana nani nobusuku nje obubodwa bokungalali. That is why labantu bathatha ama-decisions are very terrible. Labantu laba abaswele nabanjani laba nje, that's yabo labo bantu abaphila below the poverty line. Thola ukuthi kunendawo uthi uma uya kuyona la abahlala khona ubona alukho uthando la alukho uthando la alukho uthando la ungabulawa ngeke uphume la. Abantu bakhona ngeke uzuphume, yabo. And as a result uthola ukuthi bayiqisha utshwaleni nje, bagcina utshwala nje waya bazama ukwenza njani, they are numbing the feeling, bayikhohlisa. It is so uncomfortable to face the reality and heal all those things, so they decide ukuthi beyi-immerse idakamizweni. Indlela okungakhona ifuna ukulashwa yonke leyo nto, ukugula lokho okupsychological, ukugula lokho okupsychological, ukucabanga ukuthi wena uya undeserving. Yini wenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi wena izinto zizokugeja? Yini engenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi wena ezakhe izinto emele zize kuwena zizokugeja? It means you don't trust the higher power. And the question is, why you don't trust the higher power? That is why I said, in your life, ask yourself why. Why? Why? Yabo la kini njobani la ebantwini abawu-10 abawu-7 bangama-generators, okusho ukuthi kumele balinde i-universe ibanikeza ama-clues ukuthi sebengathi go through nempilo yabo. Kodwa bona they force things to happen. They just force things. It's like the world is on their shoulders. It's like bathola umhlaba ngama-shoulders abo. The more they push, the more things don't happen the way they want them to happen. Awudalwanga kanjalo. Yini ekwenza ukuthi ube kwihari? As part of a solution, musa ukufocusa ey'ntweni ezifuela leyo nto leyo ukuthi ube adrenalized. Musa ukufocusa ey'ntweni ezikwenza ukuthi ube adrenalized. Yabo, musa ukufocusa ey'ntweni ezikwenza ukuthi ube adrenalized. Ngoba lokho ikona kanye ukwenza ubone sengazuthi izinto ezakho ngeze zifike kuwena. Into yakhe iyofika ngisho ilanga lishona, iyodlula kwabaningi ize kuwena. Manje the thing is, kuzofika uyabona into zakho zikufica sewukhathele sewudaka vele, to the point yokuthi ugcina ungasathembi nanokuthi ezakho lezi zinto, ngoba awuzazi ezakho, awuzazi ngezona ezakho, ngoba ubamba yonke into ekhona phambi kwakho. Yonke into ekhona phambi kwakho uyayibamba ngoba awazi ukuthi kumele uphile kanjani. Awazi ukuyeka i-opportunity enga-align nawe ukuthi idlule, akuyona yakho. Awukwazi ukwenza lokho. Iyezwakala ukuthi akuyona yakho. You even feel in your guts, you know ukuthi this is not me, this is, but for the sake of money or for the sake of status or whatever the case, at least let me try. Sometimes they don't even try, they just force things to happen. So ubuza ukuthi, how do you know it's time for action as a generator? You see, that is a very good question that we are asking. It's a very, very great one. As a generator, for you to know this is the right time, once something has come to your attention, has come to your awareness, the universe has brought something to your awareness, and your belly, your energetic levels, your gut is telling you, I love this. This is the time. You have to feel the energy. You have to feel the pull, the excitement in your belly, in your body about something that is prevailing. Once someone is coming with something and you don't even feel excited, but you try to fool yourself for the sake of money and status to do it anyway, we just wish you all the best, because the excitement and the energetic pull that your gut is giving you is a clue that what has come to your awareness is what you need to act upon. Well explained. Thank you so much. Mina, let me tell you. let me take myself as an example. So far, after me engaging on human design, I never knew about it, right? Mina ngumuntu wayo ku-internet ke, ngiyaziperuzela ku-internet, ngiyathanda ukufunda ama-document, yabo nje, i-internet I love it, yabo. So at some point I was on the internet and I don't know whether it was an advert or it was someone who was talking. I don't know what happened, but I said, hey, wait, hold on a second. Uthini lo muntu? Angathi ngiyayithanda ke lento ayikhulumayo. He's talking about this thing of human design. I don't understand this system that this person is talking about, but I just love what this person is talking. Uthi mina lento yakhe yini lento akhuluma ngayo? I'm fascinated, but I angazi lutho. Ngathi mina awuthi ngiyofunda ke manje ngiyobuklisha uyini human design system. Ngaqala ke lapho angithi uyabona ukuthi I saw something, someone, I think it was an advert if I'm not mistaken, because I knew nothing about this. And then Shoes my gut told me ukuthi you love this, you are fascinated about this, go on with this. I switched to internet. What is human design? I read about it, few lines. I was fueled. I said it. This is what I want to immerse myself in. I just knew, nobody told me. I just knew ukuthi I love this. I want to know more about this. And by the yazi kuba ngazi ukuthi kunento ekutshela ukuthi this thing is yours, ize kuwe. Yabo. And I realized by that time ngifunda ukuthi angathi lisazoba ludeke lolu hambo. Lento ayona lento le encane ngalendlela ebengicabanga ngayo. Ila khona engaze ngathi mina good people ngizothi ukuthi kuhamba kancane. Ngizothi ukuhamba kancane ngizobuya, I will come back stronger. Bazokhumbula babe khona. Ngaye ngathi nganyamalala, ngathi ngizothi ukunyamalala. I don't know, noma it was a month noma it was 2 or 3. Yabo. But it was not less than a month. Ngahamba nganyamalala. Immerse because I just figured out this system is greater than looking bona on at a surface level, and there's a lot I'm going to do about this. Abo. Yes, Mawako. It's what happened when you came across my videos exactly. That yenzeka kanjalo ke lento. Ngase ngithi mina okay. Ngathi go through lento. All right, the rest is history. But now I know human design kule level engiyazi ngayo. Like yeah, with human design I'm still going further with it. Yabo nje. Some people I see, they are fascinated after I've read their charts. I tell them about things they knew about themselves, but they, thank you Ntozake, thank you so much. I tell them about things they knew about themselves, but they never knew why they do what they do. Yeah, but some of them, they don't even know whether what they do is part of who they are, or they just take it somewhere else. So I just clarify things to people through human design. So yeah, and as part of my journey, a lot has happened with the human design. A lot has happened. How it has changed my life. Human design, monetarily, spiritually, and otherwise, it has changed my life. Human design, yes. But it came to me. I didn't force anything. It just came to me, and then my sacral responded. That's what I tell you. We generate. That's what you exactly. In the meantime, just go on with your life. Do what you love to do. Just go on. Don't force things to happen. Okay. Namanje lento iyalinka exactly nalento esikhuluma ngayo sokuthi yini wena ungathembi ukuthi izinto zakho zizofika kuwena. Yini ekwenza ungathembi? Yini ekwenza ukuthi ubone ngathi liyashona ilanga, ubone ngathi kunabantu abaphumelela ngokusheshsha okudlula wena? Yini ekwenza yonke le nto? Idinga ukulashwa. Ngoba you are adrenalizing yourself to the point ukuthi kuthi kufike zakhe izinto, you are already tired. Yazi kunomuntu othi makufika into uthola ukuthi use tired already. Look, let me go on with this one. Now, okay, after this human design thing, alright, it's fine. I did it. I'm still doing it, right? I say call it excitement enkulu because sengijwayele vele sekukhona lento ekuthiwa I came to a homeostasis, neutrality, balance, hedonic adaptation. Bakubiza nge-hedonic adaptation, yabo. Psychologically hedonic adaptation. So angaze ngize ngibuza ukuthi thank you so much so angaze ngize ngibuza ukuthi after human designing well what else? No, I just did it. Ngaze ngithi mina if there's something else that I need to respond to, another opportunity that will come to me, I'm just waiting. Mina angaze ngize ngi-apply ngisho promotional post eyodwa emsebenzini wami. na 10 years ngisebenza angikaze nga-applyela ngisho isikhundla sodwa and I qualify very well. Yes, uku-applyela ukumaka kulento kuthiwa ukuwumaka ngisuke sengenzela loyo osuke ngiphoqa, ngoba lapha kubuye kube khona lento ukuthi awumfethu mhlawumbe uzothatha akungi-interest mina ukuwumaka, ngithi is not my thing, yabo ukuwumaka lento yokumaka makelo matric. Yes, I teach matric, mina I've been teaching matric all along, but I don't mark for matric, yabo. It doesn't interest me to do that. My energies, my sacral is not excited about it, so I don't do it. I know, but does that mean I don't have money? No, it doesn't mean I don't have money. I do have money. Aqhamuka ngendlela zezinto engiyithandayo, uyabo. I just trust the higher power. I cannot do that because nginento ethi for the sake of money. I cannot betray my energies. Njengamanje sekhona into engiresponde kuyo eseyifikile ethi ngiresponde kuyo, and ayijwayelekile kanjani. And I even told people ukuthi, good people, can you immerse yourself in this AI thing? It's because me myself, that's what happened. But AI nginkulu, i-vast AI. Wena okwakho ukuthi yipi i-compartment ne-segment ezokusiza kuyona AI ukuthi wenze lento ofuna ukuyenza easily and effortlessly, yabo. So AI is very fast. Ziningi kabi into ongazenza nge-AI. So ngikuyona ke manje, but kule department mina nalento le engiyithandayo engifuna ukuyenza. So it came to me. Mina i-AI phela ayifiki manje. People have been saying AI, but there was nothing touched within me, and I didn't even care about it. But the sacral now is responding to something that happened. There was an advert once again. There was an advert on YouTube. It came as an advert, and then lo muntu wakhuluma something different than what people used to talk, used to say. And then my sacral said, how about using AI to do this? And then boom, and I can tell you now, it's still gonna be a long journey for me. That is why ngaze ngayibeka i-disclaimer ukuthi angisezoba nayo momentum ngale ndlela. Sometimes ngizongabikho ngo live la ngo Saturday nango Sunday, ibuka nje bengekho ku live kwizolo ku YouTube, njoba ngithembise ingoba vele I've responded to something, and fruits of that are going to be seen. Good people, we don't need to be in a hurry. Let us trust the higher power. The higher power is within us. It tells us what to do when. Musukulalela lento ethi imisebenzi ayikho, musukulalela leyo nto, musukulalela lento ethi akukho safe. Yabo njengoba kunengozi ezenzekalayo la emnyango, akuyona i-chaos leyo, akuyona i-chaos. Ngoba uzwa nje kunengozi, akuyona i-chaos. Ayikho into eyenzeka ngephutha, yonke into ilandela umthetho. I-universe isebenza nge-order. Do you think nje wena kuvele kwenzeke iphutha nje vele qhamuke imoto ishayise ezinye imoto kufa abantu abaningi? There is a cause, and then that is an effect. Yonke into yenzeka kanjalo nasempilweni yakho futhi. Mina I cannot say nje ukuthi kuzokwenzeka into ongazi ukuthi yenzeka kanjani empilweni yami, yabo. I should know ukuthi why it is causing this to happen, and nami ngizwe nginesandla lapho in one way or other. Umbuzo uzothi ke laba pho wara khumbula ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa ama previous lifetime as well. I-cause ingaba khona futhi lapho, because there are so many. You cannot track i-cause and effect. You cannot track i-cause and effect ngomqondo wakho, but what you can do ukuthi wamukela ama-effects asuke sekhona ukuthi surely they need to be there, because nothing escapes the law. Even a tine of salt, uzasho njalo laphana kwi-the Kabbalion athi even the tine of salt passing through la phambi kwakho, it's still part of cause and effect. Ayikho into that goes unnoticed kwi-universe. That is why kuthiwa wazi ngisho inani ley'nwele eyisekhanda lakho. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini? kuchaza ukuthi ayikho into engekho catered for in the universe ekuthiwa it's a chaos, imani iyazenzekalela nje. Cha, shuthi nelanga ngamane liqatha ke makunjalo, ngamane liqatha ilanga ke ngamane kwenzeke kube i-chaos nje. Uma kungase kube khona into eyodwa yenzeka ngephutha, lo nto ngabe invalidate yonke into, yonke order khona nge-universe. Uma ngase kube khona eyodwa nje that goes unnoticed. Angithi uyazi ukuthi amanzi meke kwakhona imbobo eyodwa angena kuyona, kusho ukuthi lawo manzi kumele agcwale ngaphakathi. Akudingi ukuthi kuze kuvuleke yonke indawo, one part nje. Kusho ukuthi one thing that can be, that we can say inhlanhla noma ibhadi, leyo nto ngabe invalidate everything about the universe, of which it is impossible. So empilweni yakho it needs to be an order. We are the one who cause the chaos. Yabo, we are the one who is causing chaos ngokuba adrenalized. Buzibuza umbuzo ukuthi wena yini wenza ukuthi ube ne-adrenaline engaka. Uyazi ukuthi abantu bathi bayamthemba uNkulunkulu, abantu bathi abantu bayamthemba uNkulunkulu, kodwa you realize ukuthi abamthembi. You realize zikhona izinto abazithembayo, abathembi yena, abathembi yena. Abantu into zabo ngene emotweni zabo, ubukela ezibukweni uzobona ukuthi khona into abayithembayo. Yabo, khona abantu abathemba ngisho lokhu thothi uthembe lokhu nje. Mina bani sebebaningi abantu abagqoka lento, and I doubt ukuthi bana understanding ukuthi yini sebethatha lento bayithemba kanje. Sho lento sebeyifanisa nase isiphandla. Yabo, bayifanisa nesiphandla. Thatha ithemba lakho libeke kulento ukuthi yona ngoba uyazi ukuthi lento isebenza kanjani. Awazi ukuthi iCrystal ayinawo amandla ayo adlula wakho. Kunento ekuthiwa i-helping verb, guys. Kunento ekuthiwa i-helping verb or auxiliary verb that is helping in the sentence for a sentence to make sense. Yabo, the sentence can still, you can still have a sentence without a helping verb, but lelo sentence lelo ngeke lize libe grammatically correct. Yabo, kune flavor. I-helping verb ke lento i-helping verb is not the whole story, but it's part of the story. But ke angeke uthathe nje ithemba lakho ukuthi uzolibeka ezintweni ezingaphandle okudlula wena. Phuma kulezo indaba ezikusabisayo, phuma ekuziqhathaniseni. Musu kuba ukuziqhathanisa, ngoba lokho ukuziqhathanisa kuzokwenza ukuthi uzitshele ukuthi usele. Yabo, you are deserving great things. You are God. You are the universe. Wena yourself. You are praying to yourself. You are the one who is giving things to yourself. Oh, why you behave the way you behave? Why you fear? Indaba usabe. Why you fear? Uyazi ukuthi ingane esabayo ingane eyazi kahle ukuthi inecala yonile. Ingane esabayo, ingane eyazi kahle ukuthi inecala yonile. Kushuthi khona ke la ongenzi khona kahle mawukuthi uyasaba. Usabani? Khona la ongenzile khona kahle. Angithi vele bathini akekho ongenasa sono la emhlabeni, akekho, ayikho lento ekuthiwa isono. Uyini isono? La emhlabeni kusebenza umthetho, ayindaba yesono. It's not a matter of morality. Impilo is not a matter of morality. Yabo, it's a matter of laws. Ngoba into right kuwena ingangaba right kumina. Obey the universal laws. Obey the natural laws. Uthini umthetho nje wemvelo? Uthi umthetho wemvelo, uma ufuna ukudla, tshala. Uma ufuna ukudla, tshala. Ulinde, ulime, uhlakule, ngoba wazi isikhathi uNkulunkulu azonisa ngaso izulu. Umbhedesho loyo ukhulunywa ngawo lapha ePhakameni eNazaretha. Angithi umthetho loyo. Manje lo mthetho loyo wena mase siza la emalini uyakwazi ukutshala, uyakwazi ukulinda, uhlakule, uyakwazi ukwenza lo umthetho nje loyo. Thank you Khadev. Uyavuna nje, uvuna ngoba utshalile. Umthetho loyo ngeke uzudle ungatshalanga. Manje ufuna kanjani ukudla ungatshalanga? Yabona uma utshale ingadi nomuntu otshale izivande, labo bantu ngeke bedle ngokulingana. Ngeke bedle ngokulingana. Umthetho loyo. Manje wena uma sewuzithola at your 50s and 60s, uzithola usuregreta usuko 75 ukuthi ngapho uzokucabanga. Umthetho usushawa imithetho ye-nature wena. Thola ukuthi umdala kodwa manje uyabona ukuthi ampoor kahle kahle. Yabo, I'm 75 and poor. Yes. Ngibazukulu bami kodwa nje ampoor. Usukuthi lapha ya ko 75 masu lapho 60 65 70 75 ila uregreta khona lapho. Ikwisigaba se-regret ngoba impilo yomuntu ihlukene, ino morning, ino midday, ino night. Yabo, izinto ezizozenza in the morning you'll reap ama effects azo during the day. Yabo, ngoba yabo umuntu nje manje osebenzayo ono 30 into azenze na 20 lezo, into azenza na 20 lezo, into ayifundele na 20 lezo, imshikashika yakhe ena 20 and njobe ena 30 manje ena 40, izinto azenza manje yobe ena 30 40 nje 45 ebheke ku 50, lezi zinto azenza manje yizona kanye leziya ku 60 70 80, yizona kanye imphumela yazo uzoyibona lapha imphumela yazo. Imphumela yento oyenze wena una 20 uyibona manje. Uma wena ungafundanga imfundo le yabebala eyawese West uqualify, wangafunda ngaso sikhathi, lokho kuyavela futhi namanje. Angithi lento ekuthiwa i-job job market iya ngayo qualification bese determine pay yakho. So that's what's actually happening. Ngoba ngisho ungahlala u10 years bese kufika umuntu ofundile bese hola kakhulu kunawe lapha enkampanini, uyabo. So kuyavela ke, yabo. Nanokuthi ke lokho kwe-qualification ungakukhathazi lokho. Mina into engizokunika yona i-advice, ungasebenzeli ukuhola ukuthi usebenzela ukuhola, sebenzela lento ekuthiwa i-experience, ukufunda. Yes, sebenzela ukufunda. Umsebenzi nomsebenzi owenzayo, i-profession ne-profession in a business part and business side of it. That's what you should learn and implement. I'm giving you a tip for free. That's what you should learn. Don't just work for, because you'll regret at night. Your 60s, 70s, 80s, those are your nights, and you're gonna regret at night about the things that you did during the day. Just like in the day, you are regretting the things that you did in the morning of your life. So let me quickly go through your comments, good people. Ulo live wamanje ngalesi sikhathi ya ngiqala la khona ukuthi khona uLaro, in one of your videos I heard you saying that meat is causing low vibe. So does that mean we have to stop? Ayikho into ukuthi we have to welaro, ayikho into ethi we have to. Ka spirituality akusebenzi ngecommand, izinto zenza ngokwakho, ngokwendlela yakho nangokwendlela wena oguideka ngayo. Thina sikunika information kuwena ukuthi wenzani ngaleyo information, yabo. Asicommand la ukuthi we have to. Thina sikunika information ukuthi inyama low vibe, inyama this, inyama that, all that we have said about meat. We are giving you that information. Inyama iphethe ama-traumas aleso silwane leso awasuka ahamba nayo vele lo nyama. Then uyathatha, we give you information whether you go on with meat or not. It's not in our hands. It's not even in our position to tell you whether you should go on with meat or not. Yabo. So now we tell you, give you information, knowledge. We are heading towards the age of Aquarius, the time of knowledge, the time of knowing, the time of digging deep. So we are giving you whether when you do something with that or not, or you become in denial, are going away. But the higher power will speak to you what you need to do. Same applies kumina. I feel stuck kuma videos akho well known ukuthi ngifunda about what will help me. Yes. Kuhle lokho. Bloodhood Buzz uthi awujobe. Yebo. Biza mina sawubona. Akasha kusho user 733. Yebo. Laro, watching your life is healing me from all that I went through. Siyabonga kakhulu Laro. Siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu. Yeah. Stay guided. We are moving on to Mabaso ngaphuza ukucabanga. Ngaphuza ukucabanga injalo indaba. So sadly people at 40 still behaving like 20s. Uyayizwa indaba? You just regret at night. There is a night part of your life where you say yeah, angisayi phambili. Lapho sithi empilweni yakho uzobudla ama-fruits noma uzobubhizi uregreta. Are you going to be, will you be enjoying or will you be regretting? Ngoba nabazukulu bazobe bela nezinto ozenzile zonke zobe sezila phambi kwakho. Into ozenzile zonke zobe sezila phambi kwakho ngesikhathi usenamandla. Wenzeni ngesikhathi usenamandla? Abanye abantu ngesikhathi besenamandla bafenda non-stop ngalawo mandla. Bafenda nje non-stop. Siyeza ukuthi isikhathi la khona amandla azophela khona. Mawucabanga ukuthi into ebaluleke kakhulu ucansi. Ngoba le energy oyisebenzisa ucansini is the very same energy ongakwazi ukuyithatha uyisebenzise kwezinye izinto. Ayihlukile phela. Ngeke umtshele wena la endlini njoba kune fridge, ne microwave, kune stove, kunani, kune light bulb, ne television, ne laptop. Ungeke umtshele ukuthi kunogesi ekuthiwa we fridge nje wodwa. Kunogesi ekuthiwa nje we TV, kunogesi ekuthiwa cha. Ugesi owodwa wonke lo. Yonke into ibe siyawuthatha iyawutransmuter alternating current ngendlela zakhona. Kodwa ugesi wona owodwa. Zonke sidonsa kulo ugesi owodwa. Manje le energy oyithathayo le okhuluma ngayo indaba zabantu, le energy ohleba ngayo, le energy oyiwaste ayiyona vele same energy le wena othi ufisa ukuphumelela. Iyona le kumele ngabe uyisebenzisa nje. Obona nje nawe emsebenzini maniqeda ukukhuluma ngamagama abantu ukuthi uzizwa ukukhathaleka kanjani. Uma umuntu kodwa ngikhuluma ngabe ungeyena umuntu. Uma umuntu lokho kuyakhathaza lokho. Ukuhlaziya nje abantu nendaba zabo ukuthi ubani washela abantu kwenzekani. Khona nje abantu abaphuma kulo bangene kulo, baphume kulo bangene kulo. Lo nto uma umuntu iyakukhathaza. kodwa uma ungemuntu ke ngoba phela uma ungemuntu le nto esho ukuthi usaphila ubulwane, uyalo vibe njengesilwane, uphila la kwibody, awuku spiritual, uya physical and dance. Lokho ke kuwena akukhathazi ke, kodwa kuyakufuela even more. Angithi ukubona ukuthi ngayikhuluma lento ngathi labantu abanobulwane, abaphila ubulwane bathokozisa ukubona umuntu ekhala, bathokozisa ukubona ubuhlungu ngoba ni vele kwi scale of consciousness they are dense. So i-energy dark energy iyona energy ebanikeza i-power. Kusho ngamanye amazwi lento kuthiwa i-force, it gives them power, so they'll keep on doing. That is why umuntu menobuhlungu ufuna ngathi nonke ningeza ubuhlungu, yabo. So is the way yena kwi scale of consciousness akusona. So understand ukuthi lo muntu lo hayi ngoba nakunjani, ingenxa yokuthi yena unje, there's nothing wrong with me, inkingi ingayi, there's nothing wrong with me, inkingi ikuyena. So le nkinga le uyikhiphela kumina. So wena mumnikeza lokho akufunayo, we are feeding ngaleso sikhathi wena iyaphela wena. Thank you Zo. We are feeding. That is why ukuthula nokuba quiet umaster lo. Umaster bamsaba kabi umuntu othulayo abantu. Uthi uTyson Astral Project. Yabo mase ubona ukuthi abantu sebekhuluma into ongayizwa ongahambelani nayo. Thula. Noma vele usuke lapho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kunabantu abane open solar plexus njengami. Umune open solar plexus kusho ukuthi in your chart ke, by the way. Mawuthi nje ngangakufundela i-chart lakho wathola ukuthi ne-open solar plexus uyispantshe vele sama emotions wena abanye abantu noma e-environment yakho uyispantshe. So nje ubuyispantshe ke ungawathatha lo ma emotions uwa distort bese uyawa projector outside au reflect ama emotions akho, reflect ama emotions e-environment yakho. So ungangayikwazi ukuzibamba isikhathi eside. That is why kubalulekile ukuthi vele usuke kuleyo ndawo ekwenza uzizwe terrible. Phuma nje kuleyo room noma qhela kuleyo ndawo uzoba right. Ngoba uma uzoqhubeka kube lapho uzokhuluma ezinye izinto ozozisola ngazo. Anele sawubona, sacela manake angifuni ukweqa amalokhu nganabantu la. Astral Project, okay, sengidlulile lapho. Mabaso uthi buti ngakuzwa ukhuluma ukuthi ubani awuloyiki wena, but for the spiritual practices you do, can you wangizwa ngithi angiloyiki mina. Hey wemabaso bengithi mhlambe izoqhubeka into yakho ithi mhlambe uke wangizama noma ufuna ukungizama, bengithi izosho njalo. Hayi ngoba kayisasho ngoke njalo into uyabuza. Ngizokuchazela ukuthi ama spiritual practices yes ngiyawenza daily, uyazwa. Angithi ngize ngasho ngathi mina njalo ngomsombuluko nangolwesine ku YouTube ngiyabenzisa abantu into engiyenzayo daily. Angifihlile phela, yabo, angifihlile, akuyonto efihliwe leyo. Ngiyabenzisa abantu daily and ngi-advise ukuthi nawe izinto ezinjalo uzenze daily ngo 7 PM. Kodwa uzoclick ujoin, ngicela uku-highlighta lokhu ngikwenze for the sake of channel members. Thank you Nina, thank you Nina Exclusive Creation. Ngikwenze for the sake of channel members. Ngoba phela ngidedicate isikhathi sami lapho ngenze nabo, ngi-attend ama questions mayekhona and all of those things. Ngishilo ngathi mina it's some sort of guidance ne mentorship, like uma ngabe ukuthi phela good people, let us be fair and honest. There are people here that do subscription per month. There are people that do whatever they do. So those people need to be recognized. Thank you, Sir Lou. Those people need to be recognized. So that is why ngenza nabo kodwa akuwona umsebenzi wami ukuthi bayeza noma abizi. Lokho akusewona umsebenzi wami. Ngo-7 PM mina ngisuke ngikhona ngomsombuluko nangoLwesine, assuming ukuthi yena umuntu uyaziqhubekela ngezinye izinsuku. Ukuthi bayeza noma abizi ke lokho ke akusewona umsebenzi wami. Yezwa. Mina iuniversity ne-higher power yami ayingiholelela ukuthi bona bayeza noma abizi. Ingiholelela ukuthi mina ngiyakwenza lokho. That is why I even said it kwenye video ukuthi akungekile kuyena ukuthi uyeza noma akizi. I-contract yami le ne-higher power. So ingakubhenefitha ke wena ngoba abantu bakwazi ukukhokha bekhokhela i-gym kodwa bengayi ku-gym, abengayi e-gymini. Ku-gym imali bengubani ke mina ukuthi bazoza ngalezi insuku engisho ngazo. So that is why ngithi ke mina whether you come or you don't come kuyafana. So ngizoqhubeka mina and I don't save ama video alapho ngoba into ekumele ibe live le. I don't save ama video alapho ngoba into ekumele ibe live. Senze ibe live, yabo. So yeah, kumele wazi ukuthi kuyilokho. Futhi kuzohambe siphele isikhathi sakho lokho. Siya move impilo phela is lived forward but understood backwards. So ke izikhona ke izinto engizenzayo mfowethu emabaso ukuphendula nje. Khona engizenzayo angizifihlile futhi ngiyabenzisa abantu ngomsombuluko ngo-7 PM nangoLwesine ngo-7 PM, assuming ukuthi abantu futhi bayazenzela eceleni. Injalo indaba. Ngiyaqhubeka nama comment enu la. Cha ukufihla sifihlile mfowethu, asifihlile nje. Siyafisa futhi nabanye abantu ukuthi basizakale babe fulfilled empilweni zabo njengoba sakwazi sifulfilleke sisuke from point A sinyukele ku point B, yabo. So anele uthi sawubona, sacela ungichazele nge-spiritual hierarchy. It's a topic for another day. Ngiyabona khona umuntu requestile la. Bengisacela ukuthi mhlambe ngiqale ngifunde lama comment ngize ngifike ezansi ukuze ukwazi ukuthi athende konke umuntu. Uma ukhuluma nge-spiritual hierarchy mfethu lalela anele, ngicela ukubekela kanje mhlambe ukuze ngikwazi ukudlula ngokusheshsha ngoba lo mbuzo awuqala ukuba khona. Uma ukhuluma nge-spiritual hierarchy ukhuluma ngokuthi angizwe yazi ukuthi zonke izinto zihamba kanje, kune-order, ayeke ibe la emhlabeni. Kune hierarchy emsebenzini ukuthi ubani oreporta kubani, ubani onepower yokwenza ini emsebenzini. Kunomsebenzi level 1, kunomsebenzi oreporta kulo, thank you Nonto, kunomsebenzi oreporta kulo level 1 oreporta kulo kuthiwa i-supervisor yakhe. I-supervisor khona oyi-reporta kuyena, lo e-reporta kuyena unama-powers athile i-supervisor engenawo, noma une-i-privilege ethile i-supervisor engenayo. Ne-supervisor khona la i-reporta khona futhi. Nakwipolitika angithi uyazi ukuthi bonke bareporta ku-president, kwehle o-minister bareporta ku-president, ondunankulu bareporta kune-hierarchy yonke indawo. Amakhansela reporta kubani, yini i-mayor. Umcansi hierarchy understand like physically la emhlabeni ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Nawe spiritually ke futhi ihamba kanjalo ke futhi. Kukhona wena, khona into engaphansi kwakho, oma minerals, oma animals, o plants, kube khona wena uyi-human ke. Nakhona kuma-human kuhlukene, khona ama-human hlukene igaba ezo-7, esokugcina kuba u-overman, yes. Nabantu aba-enlightened ababizwa ngama-overmen, kwanye abakuthiwa ama-superman, yes. Above that khona okunye okungasaphili-ke ngenyama, yes. Okulokhu njayo laba bakwazi ukuxhumana nezinto ezithile ezi-above than you and i-power. Angithi ngake nezwa ngithi mina uKing Bhaka uyena spiritual leader noma yena spiritual guider, yabo, ongaphezulu engimrecognizeayo mina. Ingoba ngiyazi ukuthi kwi-spiritual hierarchy angiho mina kwi-level yakhe, yes. Yini echaza lokho ngoba phela ungaze ube delusional wena uthi kanjani ngoba sonke sabantu naye umuntu nami umuntu. Cha, kunendawo yena i-universe emvumela ukuthi azi access mina engingakwazi ukuyi-accessa, kunendawo akwazi ukuyi-accessa mina engingakwazi ukuyi-accessa. Yezwa lonto. Nami futhi kunendawo engikwazi ukuyi-accessa abanye abantu abangakwazi ukuyi-accessa. Yes, based on our level of consciousness. So iyona hierarchy esisuke sikhuluma ngayo ke leyo. Kusebenza ngomthetho kwa spiritual. Kunama above that, kunama guardian angels, kube nama ahlukahlukene nawo futhi ama angels lawo nama deities angabonakala ahlukene nawo. Khona amanye athunywayo nje, kuthiwa ayathunya lawo, yabo, ukuthi alungise isima engage nabantu. Khona amanye engage aseduze kwe the all, nawo ane privilege ethile anga-engage nawe. Yes, kodwa bheka izinto on a grander scale. Ngeke nje uvele usuke wena nje ubulapho kwakho nje uxhumane no President Ramaphosa uzomtshela ukuthi kwakuthi cha uvumelekile wena kune hierarchy wena kuthiwa wena xhumana nekhansela lakho. Angithi xhumana nekhansela lakho, ikhansela lakho uxhumana noba. So nawe spiritual into efanayo awukwazi wena ukuthi direct awuzixhumaneli wena direct nomdali. Kahle kahle wena noNkulunkulu nikude kodwa niseduze. Ihlukile wena ngoba yena uyena impela uNkulunkulu in this form, kodwa yena ujule kakhulu ngoba uyi-being, uyi-fundamental base ayo yonke into. So wena ukwazi ukuxhumana kunezinto, kune-channel wena ekumele ukuthi izinto zihambe nge-channel ukuthi zikuxhumanise naye ukuze akwazi ukuguide. Yes, leyo channel leyo ikona ngithi mina uma sisuke sibhalansa ama-chakras senza ama-pranayama sivula wona kanye futhi leyo ma-channel khona sizokwazi ukuzwa lezi zinto lezi ezingama-angels, guardian angel, nalezi zinto ezingama-intercessor between us and the spiritual realm, the spiritual domain. Sikwazi ukuthi sibe guided, ube sendaweni right ngesikhathi esi-right, ube like kube ngazuthi uyazi kodwa ungazi ukuthi wazi kanjani. Ube nalento ethiwa i-serendipity, ngoba mune blockage kuba nama energetic loops and blocks, bese kuyahlihliza isignal yakho. Ufane ne-radio ehlihlizayo noma ufane ne-TV ehlihlizayo, awuyitholi isignal eqondile. So kahle hle masenzela ama-spiritual practices siyiqondisa i-channel kuwe ukuthi ukwazi ukureceive ama-frequency bese uyakwazi ukwa decoder abe ngama-messages. That is the 60 cents. Iyona lento kusuke siyenza, kodwa khona abantu abangezi ngathi sesijule kanje. Ufika ukhokha 59 rand 99 bese uyahlala phansi. Ayibalekile phela imali yakho okudlula wena lento ekusuke ngithi asiyenze nawe, ekubeni ukuthi uzoshiya nje wena ufika uclick 59 rand 99 uzobona changes. Cha, mina ngiconcerned ngawe, hayi ngemali yakho. Imali yakho yona yes inhle imnandi ngoba siphila emhlabeni, kodwa khona siyawushiya lo mhlaba, umphefumulo wakho wona. Thank you Nonto. Mbizo bhuti ukahle, bengisanjani ngisacela ukubuza. Hawu usacela, ngayazi ngabe ngifunda i-question yakho manje kuba ucilanga. Selu, what would you suggest as the first step to open the third eye? I'll suggest the meditation and pranayama. Emthinzima mfoka Akasha, molo emthinzima mfowethu. Molo mfowethu, ngibonile ukuthi wena ofuna ukuba la ku screen, but let me just go through here and then we see. Tozakhe Khanyile, how do one identify his or her purpose in life? Kuba connected ne higher power and then bese ya drive. Kufana lo mbuzo nanokuthi imoto ingazi ukuthi udriver wayo yapi. Not unless yona izolalela udrive ukuthi uyidrivela ngakuphi, ila izofika khona ke la kumele kiwe khona. Yayizwa lonto kushuthi driver yona into engisuke ngisho ngithi driver. nokuthula unzima nokukhuluma nje kukodwa kuyakhathaza. Beacon of Light manje, what about married people Akasha? Fendering bani? Fendering is also a waste of energy. And why? Phela i-energy ayinendawo ukuthi ushadelwe noma ushadile. Akuyona phela i-must ukuthi uma ushadile enza ucansi. Niyalwenza nina ngoba nisuke nivumelene ukuthi nifuna ukulenza. Angithi akuwona nje umthetho ukuthi ningavumelana futhi ukuthi mina nawe senza into ekuthiwa i-tantric sex. Uyazi ukhona into ekuthiwa i-tantric sex. Tantric sex. Uhambe usearch ukuthi yini i-tantric sex. It's a very powerful sexual intimacy. Yabo? It's a very powerful one. Ningakuvumelana lokho. Ukuthi umuntu wami senzani manje ngale energy senzani. Ningacommunicate lokho. Even uyazi ukuthi khona ngisho ucansi lwe-manifestation, ucansi kuthiwa le-manifestation. Right, let me tool futhi. Mana Ochumbo ugomile kanti awusho. Shouldn't. Thank you, good people, for the gifts. Thank you so much. We deserve them. We deserve them. Just like you deserve great things, I also deserve great things. All of us deserve great things. Yeah? Ever since I started following you, your talks, it is so easy to walk away from boom. Siyabonga wezo. Please be blessed. Sizwe kabanye bathi ukuthi be blessed ukuthi be less. Uma kuhlala kanjalo ngasesayidini lakho. It's true. Thank you, Selu. It's free or we pay for that on YouTube. It's not free. It is you subscribe. Thank you, Beacon. If people don't pay, they don't pay attention. Yabo? So it's not free. Nakho kumahala, yabo lokho engikwenza la kumahala ke lokho. Lokho engikwenza la kumahala ke. Kodwa ayikho into yamahala emhlabeni, kwazi lokho. Yabo njoba khona okhokhayo, yabo njoba ubuka la uthola le information freely. Angikubali lokho ukuthi uthengile idatha lakho. But for the fact ukuthi mina I'm doing it free. No, awukho free. It's ile lebizwa ukuthi opportunity cost. Khona okumile. It's a sacrifice. I sacrifice something for me to give this one. I am the one who is paying for this to be free to you. Ayikho into ekuthiwa free la emhlabeni. Into free when someone is paying for it. So 59 Rand 99, it's a subscription. Yabo. Mawuthi ke ukhuluma ngokunikela ke sikhuluma ngento enjalo. Uthi Simphiwe Ndlovu ekhaya elikhulu siyaphila Jobe, siyaphila Gatsheni ngeGatsheni. Awambona kodwa uGatsheni kuthiwa uthini umenzi uthi wakwayibona indlovu enoboya bani benyathi. Yaqala lapho indaba. Yabo? Kodwa Gatsheni weboya benyathi. Hayibona apha indlovu enoboya benyathi. Thank you nto zakhe. Siphumeze cela ukubuza kwenziwani kuphi? Kwenziwani kuphi? Kwenziwani angibuza umbuzo, ngiyenza nawe wesabelo wesibonelo shobo ukuthi uzolinda naye laphana umbonile. Angisazi ngicela ngiphindele uthini umbuzo uqondile. Women 18 hello, YouTube live is on what time? The spiritual practices is at 7 p.m. At 7 p.m. ngikwenza lokho ngo Monday nobani no Thursday. Okusho ukuthi mina vele ama charts lawa engiwaridayo sengiwarida insuku ezintathu, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesihlanu, ngithi yabo, because ngomsombuluko nangoLwesine ngo7 ngisuke ngikuphi ngenza ama spiritual practices live on YouTube. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Lokho kimi kuyihabit, angazi just like ukuya esontweni nje, nawe lento masiyenza kanje kumele ukuthi uyijwayele ubuye uyenze wedwa eceleni, khona izinto ezoshayisana nazo leyo nto leyo. Uma ukuthi uyazenza ubuye kumele ukuthi uziyeke, njengokubhema nokuphuza kwesinye isikhathi kumele ubuye ukuyeke ngoba ku counter intuitive. Kufanele ukuthi uyahamba uya 5 steps forward, uyabuya uthatha 3 steps mhlambe or 4 uyemuva. Kusho ukuthi kunama levels, yes, kunama levels, spiritual hierarchy. Ukubona kanjani lokho kwaka King Bhaka ukuthi spiritual power sakhe siphezulu kunesakho? Ngibona kanjani lokho? Yabo wedi lo mbuzo ubuzana, fana nokuthi umbona kanjani umuntu ohlakaniphile. Awukwazi ukubona umuntu ohlakaniphile uma wena ungahlakaniphile, yabo, into yokuqala leyo. Kusho ukuthi mina bengeke ngikwazi ukudetecta lokho uma ngingekho spiritually aligned. Yes, lokho kubuzayo umbuzo uphendula ispirit loyo, awuwona umbuzo uphendula kanje njengoba sikhuluma kanje, umbuzo uphendula ispirit loyo, yabo. So lokho kwakubiza ukuthi mina ngibe spiritual ukuze ngikwazi ukubona umuntu spiritually higher than me. Lokho bawu2 phela, ngithi you know ukuthi mina I'm for King Bhaka, mina I'm for Dr. Ref Wayne Shaman. Nakho kunye nje lakho physical okumele ukubheke. Ngicela ukuthi ubuke lento ekuthiwa immaterial success. Immaterial success, umu spiritual vele lezo zinto uyazideserve, unnegotiable, azinagotiable, ziyeza nje legitimately. Umbhedo lento ukuthi uma uspiritual kumele ukuthi uqakeke, uhlupheke, ungabi nayo imali, ungabi namoto, ungabi namuzi, ube naleyo nto. Cha, ayihambi kanjalo, akubalance, as above so below. Buka ukuthi labantu abawu2 engibabalayo ukuze ngiphendule umbuzo wakho physically ngokwe evidence ephambi kwakho. 1, materially they have managed to make it, okokuqala. 2, asibukene ukuthi ebantwini kuma masses are they up for, yabo, umuntu othi spiritually high and spiritually powerful kodwa abantu bakhala ngaye, lo muntu lo is questionable. Abantu bakhala ngaye. Umuntu ospiritual kumele abe concerned ngabantu first, kumele abe ne concern ngabantu first before anything else, ukuthi akekho umuntu okumele ukuthi agxotshwe noma amgxobe noma abe nama selfish gains akhe. Kusho ukuthi kumele abe ne concern ukuthi people they are rising up, abe nokwenza lokho. Yes, kube sesandleni zakho ukwenza lokho in one way or other. Labantu engikhuluma ngabo ke bayayenza yonke lento engikhuluma ngayo. Bonke ke laba abanye ke hayi, at least ulokunganani, angazi abantu bacategorize ngayiphi indlela, whatever you categorize them. But mina I'm telling you ngokwe spirituality ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngespirituality akekho umuntu omele ukuthi abe concerned ngokuthi kumele acebe yena, okunokuthi abe concerned ngokuthi abantu i-well-being yabo. Kumele abe ne concern ngabantu. Zonke ke lezi inyanga iningi lazo, ayiphi nje inyanga engathi mina engayikhumbula manje ngithi ngiyayibeka la emqondweni wami ukuthi ngithi ya ngayo ayikho engiyaziyo mina la eKZN ayikho engathi mina ngithi ya hayi kulezi engizazi angikhulumi ngenyanga engazazi khuluma lezi engizazi cha ayikho engithi mina kuyona cha umina zabantu nje njengabo bonke abantu nje engihlangana nabo spiritually nje angibhawi nje kuzona angibhawi nje kuzona spiritually futhi unapologetically so cabanga ukuthi ke uyaphenduleka ke noma ukuphendula kwami kuthinte into eziningi world best be more of service to people money will follow yes good zo ngiyangena nami kusasa bafethu ngiyacela nanto engicelayo zo kanye nabanye nje good people ngiyanicela uma ngabe kuukuthi lempahla kunefite ngeke ayenza inefite ngeke ayenza ngithi lempahla le hey abantu hey azibahlekisa abantu bathi ubiza bani ngale mpahla ubiza uNkulunkulu wabo ngale mpahla le inefite ngeke ayenza yakhumbula lethi le mpahla wena oyibiza ngoNkulunkulu ayi lo video leyo isuse ukukhuluma okuningi wahamba uyibheka ngifuna ukuthi ke bafethu le mpahla le esizoyenza noma le mpahla engiyenzayo vele ama spiritual practices esiwenzayo ngiyacela ukuthi uma ngabe kuukuthi awukakami kahle in terms of isikhathi awukakabi clear into zakho awukakayihleli kahle ngicela ume ukuza ungaze uloku usubscriber uba yi-channel member just for the sake of it lo 59.99 mhlawumbe ubungakusiza nokuthenga ezinye izinto uma ungakaqondi kahle ukuthi okay ngizozikhomitha la ukuthi it's part of my life ukwenza lento uma ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ayingeke ngisaxakekile isikhathi sami masikaqondi kahle awuqala uqondise lento yakho isikhathi bese uyazi ukuthi njalo mina ngo7 in my life ngenza ama spiritual practices njalo mina ngo7 in my life ngenza ama spiritual practices that's who I am just like njalo ngo7 uyavuka emsebenzini angithi makuthi uyasebenza nginjalo ngo7 uyavuka uyageza emsebenzini so into efanayo wena manje usuke uyozamela umzimba wakho imali ukhona ozogqoka udle angithi nalana ke sisuke sidlane ukudla komphefumulo so uma kuukuthi angifuni good people ukuthi nibe excited akekho umuntu ozokusiza wena ozosiza ukuthi ube committed day in day out ukwenza into okumele ukuthi uyenze niyezwa good people ngiyanicela into ebaluleke kakhulu la ukuthi wenze lento kumina more than ukuthi ube yimember yona into ebaluleke kakhulu mina ukuthi uyenze lento consistently more than ukuthi ube yimember nje uma ukuthi ngeke uzokwazi ukuba consistent kungcono ukuthi uthi ukuma kancane bese ubuye mhlawumbe mase uyihlelile into zakho nesikhathi sakho sesikuvumela bese uthi ayike sengiqondile yabo mina naku nganganikhombisa ngelinye ilanga yabo naku mina nginento eqondile nje ukuthi ngenzani nini daily ang second guess nginento eyama habit eqondile habit stacking ngivuka ekseni yasekuseni lephezulu yantambama le yabo angenzi into ngoba ngithanda noma ngoba ngizizwa kamnandi ngiyenza ngisho ngingathandi noma ngingazizwa kamnandi yabo I don't do what I want to do I do what I need to do so hayi ukuthi ke bengixoxa kwezuku akuwona amazwi abheke kuwe lawo ngane yakwethu amazwi nje abheke kubantu bonke ukuthi ngicela bebe committed bazi ukuthi mabengena bangena baba abantu aba committed ngoba egcineni ngifuna impilo zenu bafethu zizibe lento eniyifunayo nibe yabo nje ngoba angeke ngikutshela ama benefits lalo inqwaba ama benefits okwenza pranayama nokubalance ama chakra angisaphathi ma umeditator ke mfethu yo you just create your heaven on earth mfethu abantu bekubone nje ngathi wena nje awunazi inkinga vele yazi nje I don't know vele wenzeka nje vele I don't know ayichazeki le nto indlela yokugcina usuzizwa ngayo nawe ayigcina ingasachazeki ukuthi kahle hle uphila komuntu umhlaba wena yabo ucela ukubuza ukuthi what you recommend for inner peace ngirecommend meditation pranayama grounding mindfulness yabo free of charge ngiyakutshela ke meditation pranayama mindfulness balancing chakras grounding yeah amongst other things hayi mawukuthi ke good people nina nizokholwa ukuthi mhlawumbe uJesu uzonenzela zonke izinto nina ayikho into emele niyenze hayi asemlindeke lo mfethu ke futhi esenzele izinto I'm thinking of manifesting using jade bunny plant Chinese money plant and crystal what do you think mina mfethu uma ukhuluma ukuthi what do I think mina ngizokutshela nje with that guy ukuthi mina into engiyazi kahle ukuthi reality created by consciousness that's it I create into engiyibeke lapha ngaphandle I create by consciousness iyona into engingakutshela yona leyo yabo lento ka automatic ukuthi uzopressa bese izinto ziyazenzekalela mina ama helping verbs lawo Ngabe ngitshela ukuthi ngisho ungayibeka iChinese plant ubeka iJade plant mawukuthi consciousness yakho nje is messed up kizoyifanela nje that is where la esiqala khona lento ifana nani konje lento ifana nani mase sithi siyayifanisa nje ifana nani lento ngoba phela angazi ngayifanisa nani kodwa izinto mazibhede kwempandeni ake ngikubekele kanje yabo ukuthi wena isihlahla usitshaliphi akushintsha ukuthi hlobo luni lesihlahla oluzomila lapho yezwa ngisho ungasitshala kuphi leso sihlahla akusizi lokho kuzomila leso sihlahla leso lolo hlobo lesihlahla lelo so phela indawo ingakulekelela ukuthi isihlahla sakho mhlambe sikhule kahle sinaturishe kahle ngoba mhlambe siyahambisana nalowo mhlabathi lo kodwa ukuthi kuzoba inhloboni ngeke kushintshe lokho ukuthi utshala ama-orange wena la ukuthi uwatshalile noma uwatshalile kuzoba ama-orange nje kuyafana so manje ukuthi wena ulanda iJade noma ulandani uma ukuthi your consciousness and your way of thinking is totally in paradox of where you want to be into efanayo nje still kuzophuma lokho nje uthini lapha mbonile ku YouTube ku YouTube ngochange Akasha mina uchange Akasha we are doing spiritual practices kunene ku YouTube good people ngo Monday no Thursday ama spiritual practices lawo ayikho into engiyifundisa ukuthi ngiyafundisa lapha ngifundisa senza ama spiritual practices angithi sezwana ukuthi into soyenza nje daily leyo yes soyenza into soyenza daily leyo mangithi daily ngiqonda ukuthi uma uyenza Monday nango Thursday nami I assume ukuthi kuzohamba nawe ugcina usuzenzela wedwa yabo kodwa at least it's better than nothing mawukuthi omunye akayenze seyedwa it's better than nothing ke ukwenza kabili esontweni it's better than not doing it at all uphila sanda uthi what are you teaching I'm teaching what I'm saying right now siyanda ngalesi sikhathi njalo siyanda ngalesi sikhathi selu yindaba uhlale ukhuluma ngokuthenga amanzi what's wrong with tap water tap water it is believed ukuthi if ifakwa ifluoride yabo. It is believed ukuthi ifaka i-fluoride of which calcify i-pineal gland. I-pineal gland okuyini okuyi-spiritual eye sakho. That is the first point nje yenza ukuthi ngingabe ngisawaphuza amanzi ompompi. Not to mention ukungcola kwamapayipi. Not to mention that one. Yabo. Nangiya-ke uLindani Music. Lindani Music. Uyasho ukuthi ke chlorine and other chemicals is good. Yeah, sebese bekuphendulile ke mfowethu. Angcolile, nangesho lapha Magomed uthi angcolile. GMS, what's happening here? Khulunywa ngani? Ekuningi okukhulunywa ngakho. Kuya freestyle la. Nkosi Mkhwanazi ijulile yini? Julukile yini inceku? Ya inceku ihealthy. Ufana ngiqale nge-chart reading. Mawacu kufanele ngiqale nge-chart reading. You are most welcome. User 98, bro, ukhuluma nabantu abalele. Why uthi abalele? Umuntu akahlale kwilane yakhe. Lo lele ikarma yakhe naye shiya njalo. Idlala ngesikhathi nje. Yabona ke la. Ngiyawuza ukuthi ngikhuluma nabantu abalele. Ngidlala ngesikhathi. Kumnandi ukudlala ngaso isikhathi. At least for me. Wazojaja abantu nje we-user 98 la. La kujajwa nonke umuntu kuyi-personal journey yakhe. Yes. We comprehend you, bro. Alright, thank you, Lindani. Mele kube big reality. Okay, ngiyanizwa. Okay, engage not la. Alright, yeah, lapho ke ninjani but Akasha Nonhle Zama siyaphila Nonhle Zama siyaphila. Mawacu, tap water have heavy metals, you may boil it if can't afford to buy still water. Yeah, ne? Njalo indaba we Mawacu. Umthandeni Ncane uthi kunjani webhuti, yazi mina ngiyafisa ukuzithola ukuthi ngazokwenzani la emhlabeni manje angazi nokuthi ngiqaliphi. Hayi akugona nje lokho. Like good people, let me explain this. Yabo lento ukuthi uzozithola ukuthi uzokwenzani la emhlabeni akuzokufana nokuthi like ungathi ufunda incwadi, ungathi uyatshela ukuthi uzoba iphoyisa. Mawuqeda uba iphoyisa uzoba usomabhizinisi, ube usomabhizinisi bese it is not going to be like that. We are not going to be told, we are going to be guided. Yes, you are going to be guided. That is why if you don't know your purpose, create one. It's that simple. If you don't know your purpose, create one. Impilo tailor-made phela ngithi. It will not be like utshela istory. Cha, you will be guided. If you are guided, izinto zenzayo, they just align you. Ubana that sense of connection nazi izinto zenzayo. This is what I was here to do. I love what I'm doing. I'm in love. I'm in the flow with what I'm doing. Yabo? We are just guided. We are not going to be told ukuthi inkinga abantu bafuna ukwazi. Ukwazi is a lower mind, carnal mind. Ukuthi I want to know. Yafana ngisho ungazi yonke into uyazi uyayikhohlwa. Mawabilisa la sempompini akusizi nakho. Ayi ukwabilisa ke mfethu angeke ngize ngiphawule ngoba angazi like ngokwe scientifically ukuthi ziyaphuma lezo zinto abasuke beyifakile. I really do not know. That is why ngayithathanga option yokuwabilisa mina, ngathatha i-option yokuwathenga ngoba leyo wabilisa angaze ngize ngiyibheke futhi ayizongixaka nje. Thoko khanyile uthi sanibonani ekhaya, smolo molo weNgwane. Masikhosana wakakhetha uthi my teacher, ngajabula ukukubona. Ngiyajabula nami ukuthi uyajabula ukungibona Sokhela. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuba khona, even though ke sawubona, even though umuntu ngathi usegidela ngakhona ngasemnyango, sawubona Hlonishwa, sawubona yebo Mthamizozo, sawubona Mthamizozo, siyakubingelela, siyakwamukela ngalesi sikhathi. So good people, abantu mhlambe ukuthi lo live basazodinga abawutholanga uqala eqaleni, uya uploadwa ku YouTube. Later on you will get it on YouTube where you will enjoy it, ne? Yeah, injalo indaba. Other than that, sengiyimember le ku YouTube, kusho ukuthi kusasa ziyakhala. Hayi ke kulungile, ayikhale noma kanjani. I would advise ukuthi let's do chest reading. It will be easy to understand ourselves. Yes. Yebo sawubona Mthizozo, sengivumile futhi. Ngicela ukuyibamba la. Wenkosi Mkhwanazi, ngicela ukuyibamba la ukuze ngibe yimember Mhlonisha. Lapha yana ku YouTube kumele ngenze njani? Uyangisearcha, ngichange Zakasha ku YouTube. Then you click channel, view channel, click lapho, join, and then you follow the prompts. Ngazi ke noma usekhonani lokungana hayi usehambile. Hayi sehambile. Hayi good people, ngicabanga ukuthi ke nibe nobusuku obuhleke. Iyohlangana khona ke on YouTube, I'm Changes Akasha, Facebook Changes Akasha Repeat. For booking your chat reading, you click the link that is found there. Ebhala ukuthi http Akashian Media ikhona la ku profile Akashian Media .schedulista.com, right? Yeah, injalo indaba. Nibe nobusuku obuhle. Science is better than history.